Hello, How To Bob here, and I made this video to show you how to install a tailgate assist. I ordered this online, and you can see it comes with the shock, a nutsert, the instructions, a couple tools, ball and ball mount plate. Now I'm going to be installing this on a 2020 Dodge Ram 3500, and I want to start out by putting the Nutsert tool, that's the piece right here, into the Nutsert, and I want it to be 3/4 of an inch from the washer, so I need to keep adjusting it until it gets to that position. Just tightening and loosening the Nutsert and the tool and remeasuring. Once I get it to the right spot, I can then tighten down the Nutsert to the tool, and that looks about right. Go over to the tailgate and you'll see a little hole there. I'll take my Nutsert and Nutsert tool, tap it into place, and you see it's loose, but I'm going to use a 10mm wrench. Got a ratcheting wrench here that helps out a little bit. Tighten that down, and the Nutsert will spread out inside of the tailgate, and once that happens, I can remove the Nutsert tool using the supplied Allen wrench that came with the kit. So I just take out the Nutsert tool, and we're left with a nice little nut. Take the ball, put a little Loctite on there, and then I can put the ball inside of the Nutsert that's wedged in the tailgate now. Tighten that down, and I'll be using a 13mm. Tighten that down. Next, I'm going to remove the tailgate cable and remove the mounting bracket for the tailgate cable. And you can use the T45 that came with the kit, or I have a T45 that goes on a ratchet. Makes it much quicker to remove. Take that out, put a little Loctite back on it, and then I want to put the ball plate on behind the tailgate, and I'll tighten it back up with my T45, and I'll make sure my ball plate is straight. It's nice and tight. Crank this down a little bit. Then I can put my cable back on. And I'll need to remove the rubber bumper from between the tailgate and the bed. So that just slides out. You can see it's a little push screw that goes in and spreads out. So that just comes right off. And you can see the little stopper here. That has to be bent down. So I'll flatten that out. Gives the cable more room to move. So once that's flattened out, the cable will be able to rotate a little bit further. And I've got a cable protector, and it should go about 3 inches. In this case, it's all the way up. So I use a pair of pliers, press that on the cable, and it should slide back and forth. So I'll put it on tight all the way and then slide it all the way up, and that'll keep the cable from getting bound up. So now it's time to put the shock on. It simply presses onto the ball, and then the lower part, I found it easier to use a pair of pliers to grab hold of the end and pull it close to the length, and I can lift the tailgate up just a little bit to make minor adjustments. Once I get it lined up with the ball on the tailgate, just snap it into place, and it's locked in pretty good. So now you can see it has a soft open. It doesn't slam when you open it, and that's how you install a tailgate assist on a 2020 Dodge Ram. I'm How To Bob. Thanks for watching.